Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Learn All in One with Murlidhar. Today we are discussing the tax-free exempts under that house rent allowances that we call the HRA under section 10 subsection 13A. We need to understand that what is the meaning of HRA. What is that HRA? HRA is an allowances granted by the employer. I have been already explained in the last video. The employer is a owner. To employee is a worker. To meet the expenditure of a rent paid for the residential accommodation, the accommodation is provided by the employer. It should be paid on the rent paid for the residential accommodation such as HRA. Okay, that's what we called as a HRA. It means it should be provided by the employer, so that HRA is to be taken by the employer for the purpose of has been provided that residential accommodation to the employee. Okay, we will see that next format of format of HRA. The actual HRA received amount should be put it here, less exempt under section 10 subsection 13A. We need to be underline it. Okay, underline it. Actual HRA received, we need to same amount, the here also same amount should be right. Actual HRA received amount, rent minus 10 percentage of salary, rent paid. Okay, how much has been paid the rent. Okay, the actual rent, what is the rent, that is what the rent paid minus 10 percentage of salary, the amount should be here. It is a minus, we need to do the minus in the calculations. I will going to explain it. 40 percentage of salary for the small cities. Okay, we need to put the amount, the 50 percentage of the salary for a big cities. We need to calculate the salary. Okay, salary for the 10 percentage is there na, we need to go for the calculation of a salary. Whichever is less, under these three things, whichever is less, put in the last column. Okay, substitute it, minus it, we will get the amount, that is a taxable HRA under the head of salary. We will go for the further understanding of more things. Here comes big city means, we need to know that big city means Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Delhi. Once again I am explaining that big city means Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi. MCKD. Keep it in your mind. MCKD. M means Mumbai, C means Chennai, K means Kolkata, D means Delhi. MCKD is a short form. We should keep it in reminding. Okay, we should know that. Next, we will go for that calculation of salary for HRA. How we are going for the calculation of an salary, that is number one, basic salary. Okay, number one is the basic salary. Next, DA should be compulsory, it includes the retirement benefit. Okay, compulsory it should, okay, DA compulsorily must should it covers the retirement benefit. Okay, that should do amounts also to be taken. The commission on fixed percentage on the sales, they have been provided in the problems. I am going to explain when the problem arises. Okay, further, if the employee is living in his own house, if in case the employee is not going to take the any benefits of the employer, okay, so that if in case he is going to live in his own house, or the paying rent, okay, if in case he is residing at the outside and paying the rent, the 10 percentage of the salary only the exemption for the HRA. How much rent he may paid, but only we are considering that the 10 percentage of the salary, whatever the salary he is taking, on the 10 percentage is only going to be exempted. Okay, only salary is going to be 10 percentage exempted, not for the much more than that. If in case he is taking the salary of 50,000, okay, he is taking the salary of 50,000, 50,000 of 10 percentage is means it is a 5,000, it is a 5,000. If in case he is going to pay the rent and 8,000 rupees means, okay, the extra 3,000 is not going to be considered. If in case we substitute means extra 3,000 is not going to be taxable. Okay, it is not going to be it is going to be a taxable also. Okay, only the exemption is 5,000. The 3,000 is only 5,000 is exempted. The further 3,000 is taxable. Keep it in your mind. Okay, so that only the 10 percentage of the salary, only the 10 percentage of the salary is considered. Okay, further we will go for the problems. Yes, in this video we are covering the three different problem regarding to the HRA. Please be listen till to the completion of this video, because you will better understand and also you will completely understand what is HRA, and you will also get the 5 marks. Firstly, basic salary 3000, sorry 36,000. You need to say if in case they have been provided per annum or per month. If in case they have been provided per month means you need to make it into 12. Okay, into 12 you will get the per annum. We need to put the per annum salary. Then DA, the terms of employment, so provides. The terms of employment means if in case we are following the terms and conditions of the employment means it is also comes under the retirement benefits. Okay, so that it is going to be taken 1000 rupees per month. See here, 1000 per month. HRA received 1500 rupees per month. How much he is receiving the HRA? 1500 rupees per month. The rent paid, if in case he is receiving the 1500 also, he is paying the rent of 1000 rupees per month. The place is Kalburgi. I have been explained that the big cities means 50 percentage, the small cities means 40 percentage. So that Kalburgi is in a small city, so that we should be taken the 40 percentage. Calculate the HRA for the assessment year 2021. We will go for the solution. We will come to here the salary for HRA purpose. We need to calculate the salary for HRA purpose means I have been already explain the format also how to calculate the HRA. For the HRA, the basic salary, DA and commission. In this problem they have been not provided the any commission regarding the adjustments, so that we should not to take the here of the commission. The basic salary 36,000 per annum, because they have been provided per annum. If in case they have been provided in the month means we are going to be 36,000 into 12, whatever the amount comes here we are going to be put it here. Next, DA is 1000. Already they have been provided the DA, the terms of employment, so provides. Employment provide means it comes under the RB also. 1000 is there, so that 1000 into 12 we have been converted into annum, so it comes the 1000. The salary for the HRA is 48,000. Further we will go for the solutions and the calculation of exempt and taxable HRA of Mr. A. Okay, of the Mr. A, the previous year 1920 and the assessment year 2021. Okay, firstly we will start with actual HRA received. Okay, firstly we should be starts with number 1. Okay, how much is the HRA is received is there? The HRA received is 1500 per month, so that we need to go with 1500 into 12. Calculate it, we will get the 18,000. We will get the 18,000. Next, nextly actual less exempt under section 10 13A. Okay, actual HRA received, the actual HRA received is the 18,000, same as it is the 18,000 we need to put here. Then rent paid, how much is the rent paid is 1000 per month is there. Okay, rent paid 1000 into 12, make it the 1000 into 12, that will become the 12,000. Okay, less, that is 10 percentage of salary. The salary we have been already find out that the salary of is 48,000. 48,000 10 percentage means 4,800. Okay, 48,000 into 10 percentage means 4,800. We will get the 4,800. So that substitute the 12,000 minus 4,800, we will get that 7,200. We will get the 7,200. Next, 40 percentage of the salary. 40 percentage of the salary means 48,000. Total salary is 48,000. The total salary is 48,000. So 48,000 into 40 divided by 100, we calculate it, we will get the value of 19,200. Whichever is less, which amount is less, 7,200 is less, right here 7,200, we will get the answer of 10,800 is taxable HRA. We will go for the another problem. The problem number 2. The basic salary 9,000 per month and DA is 10 percentage of basic salary. See, they may be given on the basic salary, depend upon the basic salary also they should be given the DA 10 percentage of basic salary. We need to calculate that. Bracket in the retirement benefit, it comes under the retirement benefit. Third one, the HRA received is 1,500 per month and the rent received is 2,100 per month. All the things are in the per month. Calculate the HRA and the place is Mumbai. Okay, we have been already knows that the places very well. The places are Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Delhi. These are the big cities. So this is big cities. Big city means we need to go for the lastly 50 percentage of salary, not for the 40 percentage, because it is in a big city. We will go for the solution. Firstly, we need to go with the salary for HRA. How much they have been paid the salary means salary has been paid for the 9,000 per month. So that per month is there 9,000 into 12, 1,08,000. So DA has been 10 percentage on the basic salary. The basic salary is total 1,08,000. So that 1,08,000 for the 10 percentage on 1,08,000 means 10,800. When we are total together 1,18,800 salary for the HRA. We will go for the further calculation of exempted HRA. Here is the calculation of taxable HRA of Mr. S. Previous year 1920 and the assessment year 2021. The actual HRA received 1,500 into 12. Okay, that is what it will become. The here is the HRA is received 1,500 per month is there. So that 1,500 into 12, 18,000 we will get that. Less exempt under section 10 subsection 13A, actual HRA received 18,000, rent paid minus 10 percentage of salary. We knows that the salary is totally, the salary is how much is their salary, 1,18,800. For this you will need to make it the 10 percentage. Okay, we will do it the 10%. What is the rent paid? How much has been paid the rent? Has been paid the rent of 2,100 per month. We need to go for the calculation here. 2,100 into 12, make it how much? And less remove the bracket, less the 10 percentage of 1,18,800 is 11,880. Okay, 11,880. When we are calculating all these things, we will get it the answer of 13,320. Firstly, you need to make it the 2,100. 2,100 into 12. Whatever the answer will come, put the write it here. Okay, then substitute that with the 10 percentage of salary. You will get the this amount. Next and final, the 50 percentage of salary. Finally, 50 percentage of salary. 50 percentage of salary on 1,18,800, not on this. Okay, 1,800. You will get that value of 59,400. You will get the value of 59,000. Whichever is less. Whichever is less means we need to take the concentration of 13,320. That is the less. Answer will come less it. We will get the answer of 5,680. It is the taxable HRA. This is the taxable HRA. Next and final, the another one is there. We will go for that. Here is the third problem. Here is the third problem. That is as follows. Mr. Hanumanta is employed at Chennai. Chennai is the big city. Keep it in mind. When the Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata comes, 50% of salary. And as a working as a marketing manager, the salary pays in the salary for the previous year 1920 are as follows under. The basic salary was 16,000 rupees per month. DA is 12,000 rupees per month. In the bracket, it covers under the retirement benefits. Convenience allowances for the personal purpose rupees 2,000 rupees. Whatever the additional information they should provide in the problem, you should not be consider when you are going to be a calculation of the HRA, taxable HRA, the convenience allowances, any hostel allowances, any other allowances they should provide means you should not be consider for the calculation of HRA. Okay, and also here also we should not be consider the convenience for his personal whatever they may provide. Okay, only the rent should be covered here. The commission at 2% of a turnover achieved, which was rupees 9 lakh rupees during the previous year. See, they have been provided the commission 2% on commission previous year, and the same was evenly spread. They have been given with the including the within the HRA also. Nextly, the HRA of rupees 6,500 per month, the actual rent paid by him rupees 5,000 per month for an accommodation at till 31st 12/2019 from 1/1/2020. Okay, till the 31st they have been provided the salary of 5,000, and from 1/1/2020 that has been increased for rupees 7,000. Compute the taxable HR. We will go for the solution. First salary purpose. Okay, HRA we need to calculate the for the salary purpose. For the HRA we need to calculate the basic salary 16,000 into 12 because per month is there. Keep it in our 16,000 per month, that will become 1,92,000. DA is also 12,000 per month is there. 12,000 into 12, that will become 1,44,000. The commission 9 lakh rupees commission paid on 2%, that will become the 18,000. Okay, when we are calculating all these things we get the 3,54,000. Okay, next we will go for the computation of a taxable HRA. Computation of taxable HRA, that is actual HRA received. The actual HRA received is totally 6,000 is there. See here, 6,500 is there. 6,500. Okay, 6,500 into 12, that will become 78,000. Here is the HRA is 6,500. Okay, then less exempt under section 10 subsection 13a, actual HRA received 78,000. Same we need to put here. The rent paid 10% of salary, we need to go for the calculation of rent paid. See here, the calculation of rent paid is as follows, because some of the calculations till 31st 12/2009 he receives the 5,000. Okay, actual rent paid by him 5,000 per month. Okay, actual rent he has been paid, because we are under the calculation of rent paid. Okay, so that we need to go for the calculation. Actual they have been given the 5,000 per month, that is for an accommodation till 31st 12/2019. From 1/1/2020 the rent was increased rupees 7,000 per month. The rent is increased. Okay, till the 31st 12/2019 he paid for the 5,000. So here is the explanation regarding this. Our financial year or the income tax year starts from, assessment year starts from 1/4/2019. They have been not provided that because we need to be taken as 1/4/2019 to 31st. They have been given in the problem 31st 12/2019. So this is become the 4 months. Okay, this will become the 9 months, because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means for the 12th month they are ending. Okay, from the 4th month to 12th month, total become 9 months. Total become 9 months. You can go for the calculation also. Okay, if you are not understanding, you can call me. I will explain once again. I have been given in the starting my mobile number also. You can call me. That is 5,000 into 9, that will become the 4,000, 45,000. Okay, because 5,000 for the 9 months, that will become 45,000. Nextly, it has been increased that from 1/1/2020. See here, from 1/1/2020 to 31st 3/2020, this assessment year is going to be ended. This assessment year is going to be ended. This previous year is going to be not the assessment year, sorry for the income. This previous year is going to be ended, because the previous year expenses are going to be taxable for this assessment year. This is the previous year. From 1/1/2020 to 31st 3/2020, the 3 months total, he paid that 7,000 rupees, because the rent has been increased. 7,000 into 3, total become 21,000. Total it of these things, you will get the 66,000. You will get the 66,000. 66,000, we will come to the problem. 66,000 minus 35,400, because 35,400, because the total salary, okay, the salary is 3,54,000, and the 10 percentage is 35,400. When we are going to substitute that, we get the 30,600. 50 percentage of salary, 50 percentage, because it is the big city, so it is 50 percentage. 50 percentage means 1,77,000. Whichever is less is the 30,600, so that the taxable HR is 47,400. Okay, this is the things. Please understand. If in case anything goes, you can call me. I will assist you, and it is one of the very important topic. And also you can share with it covers for the 5 marks. It covers the 5 marks. Compulsorily will get the in examination. It is for the Akka Mahadevi University. Okay, and also Gulbarga University, and also it covers for the VSKUB. Okay, Vijayanagar Sri Krishna Devaraya University also it covers. And also many universities it covers. On whomsoever helpful, and also share this video as is possible to, and also with your friends. Okay, thank you. Like it, comment it. Have a nice day one and all. Bye.